What's up, y'all? It's May 3rd, and I'm going to be breaking down the trade that helped me pass my 50K challenge today. So, first off, we're going to start on the higher time frame. So, on the higher time frame, as you can see, we swept this low during this 10 o'clock news. So, I knew this 10 o'clock high would have been a target. So, once we swept this low right here, you drop down. This is our key level because we tapped into this fair value gap, which is the key level. So then we tap into the key level, and then you drop down to the 5 minute. This entry right here, I actually missed this turtle soup. So once I noticed after lunch that the target wasn't hit yet, I caught the kill of death. That's what it's called. It's the turtle soup right before the target is hit. So once I noticed this turtle soup forming, I waited for it. I waited for us to close above this down close candle that took out this low. So once we closed above, I went in long. You see it was kind of choppy a little bit, but once around 2 o'clock hit, that's when things started to move. So I got in. I had my stop right here. And then all I did was I just waited until I hit the 3K target, and then I got out right here. If I didn't have a target, the 3K target, I would have held it all the way up to here, but you know, this is where I hit 3K at, so there's no point in holding the trade any longer. But this was the trade that got me funded 50K. Let me know if y'all want more in-depth breakdowns like these. I'm gonna see y'all next time.